Let me break this down. Life is scary.
It doesn't seem that they're very deep, putting it in very deep. I'm just wondering, hoping we can get past, or they'll move
I can see that lorry there. I'm just wondering how he's parked.
Yeah.
We'll draw her up and have a look, and if it's...
We can get our forklift.
Probably get paid in how much you get put in. Now, I don't think that car's looked down here yet.
No, they won't have done. They'll pull back on, I would know.
You'd have hoped, wouldn't you?
You would have thought so, wouldn't you? Maybe they'll back on.
He's after somewhere, isn't he? Do you think he's thinking he's just staying there?
I don't know what he's doing.
Oh, I thought he just reversed back in your own drive. No, don't know where he's going. Okay.
You'll have to.
Where are you going? Just sit tight. I don't want to go under all them trees.
No,
we can go pavement. It's alright, let him. He'll have to go that side if he wants to pass us.
I don't understand why he wouldn't just pull on his drive.
Oh, I don't know, he's just reversed out of there. Hang on, he's going up the drive now, I think. Do you think he can't reverse?
It's me, I know who it is.
Be careful. How are you, Doug? How are you doing? You alright?
No, I'm not. I'm on a medical appointment.
Okay, mate. Medical appointment? Oh, quite an angry man. Isn't he? He's on a medical appointment, but he doesn't want to just reverse it. So
we just reverse, we'd just be there faster.
Yeah. Oh, he's really angry. That was surprising.
They can get angry, people here. Anybody would think it was...
I don't think he can.
See very well.
Possibly. Alright, let him go back. Alright, what's he doing? I really don't know what he's doing. I think he's got something fastening his door, like his seatbelt. You know what he was reversing out, he could just have pulled forward back, you know.
There, right, let's just see if we can get past him.
Ross side, and you're also queuing as well from the Forest Hill Road side heading for the Murders roundabout. Elsewhere though, a couple of minutes wait outside the P&G.
We told MSPs it's concerning to have to turn. We need to think really differently about how we are funded. We're being promised GB Energy will be a game changer for the North East, despite the revelation it could take up to 20 years to bring its promised 1,000 jobs to Aberdeen. The state-owned company hopes to bolster jobs in the supply chain, and Scotland Office Minister Kirsty McNeill is predicting a more immediate boost in the supply chain on top of hundreds of jobs in-house. Speaking to the P&J's Stooshy podcast, the Labour Minister thinks we're canny enough to realise these things don't happen overnight.
Some things will take time, but the things we've been able to do...